Yo, what's up guys? In this video, we'll be seeing how to install Unsloth Studio. So for this, we're going to go into the unsloth.ai and then click on start for free. Yeah, we're inside. Just navigate to the download section. There are multiple ways you can download directly from within. So for the Mac users or Linux users on WSL, you copy this shell script and then run it. On the Windows, you can copy this PowerShell script. It will directly go into download and then execute the script. Okay, there is one more way that you can utilize is through running through Python. Particularly in this video, we're going to utilize a PowerShell script. So we're going to download, open PowerShell, open that. Did you just mention about anything to run it as administrator? By the way, it can automatically elevate the privileges if required. It will ask a UAC will be get popped up, so we'll just have to give the permissions if required. Okay, so I got the Python already installed. If you have not, then it will automatically try to download. If not, you have to install the Python version accordingly. And at the same time, on the same note, you have also need to download Visual Studio Code. So if it is not there, through this downloader, I mean the installer script, it will try to download that. While it's downloading, you have to manually intervene and then install the necessary dependencies. Okay, so that is the one thing that you have to keep in mind. At the moment, it seems we have already checking all the required packages. We have Node installed, we have CUDA installed. Okay, let me expand a little bit. Okay, so GPU check.good, Git is installed, CMake is there, Visual Studio 1722. This is not VS Code, it's Visual Studio. Okay, and then we have the CUDA toolkit, CUDA node. Everything is checked out. I think we're good to go, and everything is getting installed. Finalizing. Installing pre-built Llama CPP bundle. By the way, if you have noticed, almost every major self-host providers are utilizing this Llama CPP as their backend. Right now, if you can see that Llama CPP is used by this Unsloth. At the same time, the Llama CPP is being used by LLM Studio as well. In the previous video, we have seen that thing. So, Unsloth has been installed successfully. Let's type S to start it. Okay, let's keep this window open and let's try to access this. Let's wait for a bit to make sure that it is up and running fully. Okay, now it is up and running. Let's go now. For the first time, it will going to ask the password. Let's type in at least 8 characters. Okay, done. Okay, we're inside and let's see. I already got this some models that are running. Okay, these are voice models. Is there any model that is running? Okay, Hugging Face recommended models. Let's see. Custom models added. Let's type in GPT OSS. Starting model, loading cast model into the memory. Meanwhile, let's see. I don't think it should not be downloading because all these models are already there in the PC previously downloaded. It seems like it is downloading. Maybe something is wrong. Let's go. These are wrong. Let's download. Okay. That is also added. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's not actually downloading. It's just loading. Okay. Hi there. Who are you? Wow, did you see that? 120 tokens per second. Super fast. Hello, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I help you? I have a math problem. Can you help me out? Sure thing. What's the problem you're looking for? Okay, hello. Okay, tool calls. What is 1 plus 1? Okay, I think it's not done yet. There are some calls happening still. Why is this happening though? So let's see. What is 1 plus 1? Internal error. That was nice. Why and what is happening? Okay, that was good. Now what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. Nice. So basically this is it. So from the upcoming videos we'll see how to fine tune a model. See you again guys. Bye.